In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter the green screen background color key in Adobe Premiere. Whether you're new to video editing or just looking to refine your technique, our goal is to help you achieve a clean, professional look using Adobe Premiere's powerful tools. Let's dive into the process and see how this can be done in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to open Adobe Premiere on your computer. Once you're in, start by dragging your green screen video clip into the timeline. This is the segment that features the subject in front of the green screen, the footage you plan on replacing with a more compelling background. Now that you have your green screen video down, it's time to introduce the background you'd like to place behind your subject. This could be another video or an image. Simply drag that file onto the timeline and position it beneath your green screen clip. With the two layers aligned, you can begin the process of keying out the green screen. Head over to the effects panel, which can usually be found on the right-hand side of your screen, and type in Ultra Key. Ultra Key is the tool we'll use to remove the green screen from your video, unveiling whatever you wish to appear behind your subject. Once you've located Ultra Key, drag it directly onto your green screen clip in the timeline. You'll know it's been applied when you see it listed under the effects in your clip's settings. Next, move to the Effect Controls panel. This is where you can get into the specifics of how Ultra Key is applied to your clip. Look for the Ultra Key effect and locate the section labeled Key Color. Click on the eyedropper tool next to this setting, which allows you to select the specific shade of green you want to remove from your footage. Now, direct your attention to the Program Monitor, the window where you can see your video playback. With the eyedropper tool active, click on the green background. You'll notice an immediate change as the green is effectively replaced with your selected background. Depending on your original footage and lighting conditions, you might need to make a few adjustments to refine the output. In the Effect Controls panel under Ultra Key, you'll find additional settings like matte generation, matte cleanup, and spill suppression. These allow you to tweak edge smoothness, remove any remaining green tint around your subject, and ensure everything appears seamless. Finally, play your video in the timeline to review your work. Watch closely for any lingering green edges or inconsistencies. If you notice anything off, revisit the settings and make further adjustments until you achieve the desired look. And there you have it, a beautifully keyed video ready to impress. Remember, practice makes perfect. And with these steps, you're well on your way to mastering the art of green screen editing in Adobe Premiere. Thanks for watching and happy editing.